Hello everyone, thank you for joining me in this course. So before we dive into keywords and what keyword research is and all that good stuff, we first need to talk a little bit about what SEO is, what search engine optimization is, because that's why keyword research is important to begin with. So search engine optimization are basically the techniques used to affect a web page's visibility within any search engine's unpaid results, also called the organic results or the earned results, or sometimes known as natural or organic results. So that's why keyword research is so important, because we want to find these terms that people are searching, so that way we can use those terms in strategic places across our website and content to be able to gather more visitors, more sales, and ultimately convert more people. So that's what SEO is in a nutshell. Continue on with me in the next video as we cover what keywords are and what keyword research is. So if you already know that, go ahead and skip over to the next video and we will dive right in.